Welcome to episode 3.147, week number 78%. First, before I get into what I'm doing, I'm now on nearly 380 something subscribers, so there's lots of you coming back each week and watching the videos, so thanks for that. Really appreciate you watching, and hopefully this is helpful in building your garden rooms, or just watching for seeing a fat man building something for a very long time. What I'm doing now today is still on the side of electrics, but I need to do a little bit of what I would call jiggery pokery around these outside sockets. So I want one on each side, and the problem is, you can see there's a big gap. So I could fit these on the front elevation, which has got the cedar, that would be fine, but I don't really want to see that on the front. So what I'm going to do is cut the corners of this, mount that in there, treat it, probably put some sealant on the back, mount that on there, then mount that on there. Then my external sockets will be on the external side elevations and hopefully be watertight. So let's do that now. So first thing, I've marked up what to cut off on that one, so it should slot in there. To mark up this one, these are just offcuts off 4x2. Obviously it doesn't need to be 100% perfect. So if I mark this one up, obviously I'm taking that bit off. Taking that bit off and that bit off. Then, yeah, let's do that first. Now, I am what you call eyeballing this. It's probably about right. Let's try that. Now, what I'll do now is clamp this bit in place. Not bad. A little too deep. So let's take that measurement. That's fine. Put it there. So we want to come out about there. about there. Not bad. What I should have done was marked where that was, but I didn't. Never mind. There. Not bad. That one could do with a tiny... Oh, that's okay. Fine. So, let's see if it fits. I'll go like that. There we go like that. Perfect. So, now I will paint these, or not paint them, or stain them or something, treat them. Just find the middle of them for the power cable. And that's going to go there, like that. So I just need to drill these out. Drill that out. Mark those up. What I think I'll do is drill the hole for the middle. Drill through there. Position it. Then drill through there. That's my plan. Right, let's do that. Cable through there. Perfect. So now I just need to probably give these a bit of sand and then give them some treatment. So now I need to go back into the old temporary shed you might remember from early videos such as number 3 and number 28.7, where I dumped everything. So let's do that now. Find the treatment, give them a good couple of coats, or at least one very thick coat. And then, oh, that's a bit dodgy there. Make that the bottom. Actually, let's just do that now. That's going to be the top of that one. That doesn't really matter. Let's make that the top of that one. So there we go, 2 supports for external sockets. Let's paint them. Okay, time for staining. So I'm going to go this Bird brand Eco Soap, which I use to paint the shed, the old shed, which is over there. Can I find a brush which I'm willing to sacrifice in here? No. So I'm going to go with a roller. See if that works. This is approximately 12 years old, so I'm not sure what's going to happen when I open it up. But let's have a look. Also, a container to pour this into there. Let's do it. This, the Paint Later 5000, the Paint Later 5000 means I can paint both sides. Put it on there. Paint Later 5000. Right, let's see what's in this. Could be sludge. Let's find out. It's already very black. Oh man, it's very black. Ooh, nice. Let's see. It's very watery. That's going on nice. A brush would have been better, but I don't really want to lose the brush because this is not coming out. If I had a brush, I could get some in there. Do the other one, other side. I think I might try and pattern. Oh, see, that's good. The Paint Later 5000, inspired by Derek at Vice Grip Garage, who has loads of interesting names for his tools, like the lightning whirler and the sparkulators. So let's go that way. Let's give that a bit more. Soak in, let it soak in. Okay, get some in there somehow. Oh, okay. Paint Later 5000 working nicely. Okay, let's keep going there. Nice. Okay. Now, I'll let it soak in. It's a nice sunny day today in sunny England. Oh, so, ooh, don't do it too fast, because you get splash laters. Okay. There we go. That's nicely going to sit on there now, soak in. Beautiful. Yep, looking good. Right, let that dry in the sun. Give it another coat. Nicely neat. Right, next is fixing them. there we go. I forgot to film me fitting them or wiring the socket up, but that's it, they're in. So that's how I wanted it. Gap there so water can run down. Gap there so water can run down. Sealed at the back. When I fitted the sockets, I run a beader silicone around the wire and around each fixing point of the socket. So it should be all watertight. The socket's actually wired up. That's the first thing that's actually fully wired, at least at this end.